If you run a trash can cleaning service, watch this video to learn how to overcome barriers that stop your business from going to the next level. Training and retention. Cleaned bins quickly get dirty again, and your crew has to spend time scrubbing nasty wet waste and picking gross items out of them. This unpleasant aspect makes holding on to good employees hard and extends the time they spend on a job. Faster work means more bins cleaned per day. This inefficiency slows growth and creates burnout. But what if you could offer a simple, effective solution that gives your clients what they want? An easy way to keep their bins clean longer, reduces the yuck factor teams talk about and time they spend on the job. And with BagEZ, you can do more than that. You control costs, operate more efficiently, and boost your bottom line without extra effort. You can offer it as a convenient add-on to your cleaning plans or sell as a standalone trash bag holder, used at home or outdoors. For more info, visit BagEZ.com or give us a call.